Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix lease agreements with LegalZoom, complete guide step by step clearly. Visit the LegalZoom website. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Navigate to the section for lease agreements. Choose the type of lease agreement you need. Select residential lease or commercial lease based on your requirements. Fill out the online questionnaire with your specific details. Include information about the property, tenant, and any additional clauses. Review the lease agreement template generated by LegalZoom. Make any necessary adjustments to fit your unique situation. Consult with a legal professional if you have questions. Finalize the document by making sure all information is accurate. Download the completed lease agreement from the LegalZoom platform. Sign the lease agreement as the landlord. Provide a copy to the tenant for their review and signature. Ensure both parties keep signed copies for their records. Store the lease agreement securely in case of future disputes. Periodic review of the lease agreement is recommended to ensure compliance with local laws. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.